Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investments. Monday, November the 7th, I've got 3 great press releases for you. Despite all the macro news going on in Greece, we've got a change in the Prime Minister. Italy, they're on the hot spot, and we're looking at sovereign debt and the super committee coming as an issue in the next couple of weeks. We do have 3 great press releases for you. China, U.S., and Canada. So follow me here. China Yida Holding trades on the NASDAQ under CNYD, put out their third quarter 2011 numbers. Revenue, $11.2 million, up 1.6%. Net income was $3.2 million. That's down 31%. Normally I wouldn't report on this, but I'll tell you why. Because fully diluted earnings per share still came in at 16 cents. That compares to a drop at 23 cents. So that's the same as the net income number there. But the company closed on Friday at $3.28. So assume that the company has this performance over all 4 quarters here. Then you look at a company that's going to deliver about 64 cents in earnings and is going to trade about 5 times earnings. Not a bad number for a Chinese company, especially given the fact that their 52 has $12.80. Their low is 204, and they're now trading at $3.28. In addition, they got $14.4 million in cash and cash holdings on their balance sheet. So you get some pretty significant value here, enough at least for you to take a closer look and see if it warrants an investment by you. But always do your own due diligence. Next up, Optics Systems trades on the OTC under OPXS. Announced that they won a $7.8 million award under a contract from an international defense customer. It's not the first time this company's been on here. They're a manufacturer of optical sighting systems for the military and related applications. This contract here is specifically to upgrade the sighting system apparatus in a fleet of combat vehicles for the armed forces of a G20 nation. Naturally, for security reasons, they're probably not even allowed to give out the exact application or the nation. This contract calls for delivery of more than 500 units over a 5-year term. Delivery is expected to commence about mid-2012, and their backlog, after accounting for this contract here, is now 18. This is their booked backlog is now $19.8 million as of November 3rd. I gotta like those numbers. It's a great place to be. This company's products are installed on various types of U.S. military land vehicles, including the Abrams and Bradley fighting vehicles, light armored and armored security vehicles. So they obviously know what they're doing here. Good job out of Optics Systems. OPXS is their symbol. And finally, out of Canada, Northern Tiger Resources, TSX Venture, NTR, announced that they hit 0.45 grams ton of gold, 3.0 grams ton of silver, over 234 meters. That's a massive intercept. The company released assay results for all 9 holes in their 2011 drill program on their project in the central Yukon. Total meters there, about 2,650 meters. They've got a bunch of results. Go take a look at those, but these are some nice numbers here. The company has a portfolio of gold and copper focused on project in the Yukon. Now, we know at the beginning of the year, the Yukon was a very hot area play. It has since cooled off for reasons unbeknownst to me, but then again, the entire TSX Venture resource sector has cooled off as well. But something tells me that area is going to be back. So nice numbers there out of Northern Tiger Resources. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you. If you look for more great resources press releases that we've covered over the past few days, and you watch this on Globe Investor, then look below me or to the left of me to see the companies we've covered over the past few days. Otherwise, if you're not already there, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch this show, take a look at the best headlines to my right, and get into our marketplace to discover your next great small cap stock. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.